kid-friendly TV.
Hey guys, today we're playing with the Mega Bloks Barbie Build and Play Beach Day set. It has 97 different pieces and it comes with a lot of accessories to make the perfect beach day. It has an umbrella, buildable picnic table, surfboard, shovel, bucket, and a constructible sandcastle. It also has 6 mini fashion figures including Barbie, Skipper, Chelsea, Ken, Nikki, and Summer, plus don't forget their adorable little dog named Taffy. This is the back of the box, and this is the picnic table and the sandcastle, and it looks like it comes with a lot of fun accessories. There's Ken, Barbie, Summer, Nikki, Taffy, Chelsea, and Skipper. Instructions. It also comes with 2 small bags of adorable little bows, sunglasses, and other parts to decorate your sandcastle. Parts for the picnic table and sandcastle. A little heart purple bag to carry all your stuff in. The bucket, shovel, flower necklace, surfboard,
Oh, hey, Ken.
Hey Barbie, I'm about to go surfing. I got some new moves. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
Would you like to go surfing with me?
No. I spent so long on my hair and makeup this morning, and I just can't afford to mess up my makeup, and my hair would get so frizzy.
Okay, well I'm going surfing. I'll see you later, Barbie. Bye.
Bye. Oh, hey, Nikki.
Hey Barbie, how are you?
I'm good. Oh my gosh, you look so good in your outfit. I love the bow in your hair.
It's a flower.
Oh my gosh, it's a flower. Awesome. It's so pretty.
Thanks, Barbie. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just waiting on the others to get here. Ken just went surfing. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be like so hot today. It's supposed to be like 110.
Wow.
I'm so excited about having a picnic.
Yeah, it's gonna be a blast. Hey Barbie, that looks like your sisters and Summer coming.
Oh my gosh, it is. Look at them, here they come. Oh, hey girls. I am so excited about today. It's gonna be so much fun. Barbie, can we go build a sandcastle? Sure, Chelsea, let's go. I even brought a bucket and a shovel. That's awesome. Let's go, let's make a sandcastle.
Wow, Chelsea. Q, Summer, and Skipper did so good on the sandcastle. I love it.
Oh my goodness, Chelsea. You girls did so amazing. I love it, and it's pink. Let me take your picture real quick, Chelsea. Stand right there, okay? Right there. Say cheese. Cheese. Perfect. Hold on, let me get your picture too, Chelsea and Skipper. I mean Summer and Skipper. Got it. So perfect. Let's go have a picnic. Thanks, Barbie, for inviting me. This was so much fun. We should do this again sometime. Yeah, that would be awesome, Summer. I'm so glad you got to come. Oh my gosh, it looks like it's gonna rain. We all better get going. Let's go, girls. It's raining. Ah!
I had so much fun playing with you guys today and with this Barbie set from Mega Bloks. I hope you had as much fun as I did, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!